Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to align object to face. So for example, I will insert the cube object and the second the cylinder object. The next you can scale for the cylinder, make it more small, and I will move to the blue axis. You also can active for the wireframes on shade. So this is for the preview. And if you want to align object to face, like I will move from this face into the top face, you can go to the modify and we can use snap together tool. I will click at this top face, hold, and then you can click in this top face, release. The next you can press enter buttons to move it. Okay, you also can move in the red axis here or in blue axis. Okay, we'll snap again, so you can go to modify, click snap together tool, click in the top, hold, and you can release. Then I will click at this face, hold, and you can release again. The next you can press enter buttons to snapping. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to align objects to face.